Types of conjunctions in English. Sentences and examples. Part 5. All previous parts are available in the description. He passed the test because he had a good teacher. I eat neither meat nor fish. She is poor but happy. I can neither sing nor dance. I was tired, but I went on working. Both Jane and Alice are introverts and get along very well. Since the car was badly damaged in the accident, it needs to be repaired. We felt bored and went to the movies to relieve our boredom. Rahul must give in and apologize, or else Praveen will not forgive him. The children were playing hide and seek and James was hiding in the garden when the rain started pouring down. People ran for shelter when the storm broke out. The audience left the hall when the performance was over. Go where you like. The accident occurred where the four roads meet. The train cannot start before the signal is given. His wife fainted when she heard the news. We eat that we may live. He wore a coat so that he may not catch cold. He wore a coat in order that he may not catch cold. As soon as I finish this book, I will begin another. I would not do it, even if it were possible. He looks as if he were on the brink of a nervous breakdown. He looks as though he were on the brink of a nervous breakdown. She is pretty as well as intelligent. He is greedy as well as dishonest. I heard this movie is terrible, besides, I hate horror films. Neither Martin nor his father is tall. She is neither honest nor hard-working. Although they gave her the best treatment, they could not save her. Though they gave her the best treatment, they could not save her. Although she had the qualifications, she did not get the job. Though she had the qualifications, she did not get the job. He was ill, but he attended the meeting. Though he was ill, he attended the meeting. Though the lawyer defended his client very well, he lost the case. Although the lawyer defended his client very well, he lost the case. Though he is not educated, he possesses practical wisdom. He is not educated, but he possesses practical wisdom. We went out in spite of the rain. She passed the exam because of her teacher. We went out, although it was snowing. She went to work in spite of the fact that she was ill. Although she didn't enjoy the film, I liked it. Though expensive, the watch was very good. I arrived on time, however the others were late. We managed to do it, although you were not there. We managed to do it, in spite of the fact that you were not there. The children were happy when the show began. This is the place where the accident occurred. Though he worked hard, he couldn't win the first prize. I will go even if he forbids me. She will not come unless you invite her. Though she is pretty, I don't like her. It is surprising that she didn't invite you. Will you wait here until I come? I couldn't go because it was raining. Since the sky is overcast, we will cancel the picnic. They say a silent prayer before they start the class. Do as you have been directed. The crow collected stones and dropped them into the pot. Even though I am quite small, I can swim well. They arrived after we had left. The sun is hot, but the moon is cold. He sold the car because he wanted some money. Please meet me before you go. He must be asleep, for there is no light in his room. He will not succeed, no matter how hard he tries. If you drop the glass, it will break. He held my hand lest I should fall. He studied well, so he passed the examination. Since you say so, I will believe it. It was bigger than I thought. You must not question what does not concern you. My sister reads whenever she gets some free time. Ria is confident that she will win the race. You have to decide which subject you want to study. You have to decide what subject you want to study. Aunt Polly suspected that Tom was playing some tricks on her. Why she was behaving so strangely was not clear to us. My grandmother can only walk slowly because she has arthritis. Though it tried very hard, the cat could not climb the tree. If you are determined, you can succeed in whatever you do. The man asked if I could help him. The man asked whether I could help him. She waited in the park until her friends arrived. Unless you give me the keys of the safe, you will be shot. Will you please wait here till I come back? Will you please wait here until I come back? I will come and see you when I can. I will come and see you whenever I can. I will be in bed by the time you get back. I will call you as soon as I have the information. I will call you when I have the information. I will be relieved when it is finished. You have to finish it before you can leave. I scraped my knee when I was playing football. I scraped my knee while I was playing football. I injure myself when I play football. I injure myself whenever I play football. I will give you the message the moment I receive it. I will be ready when you arrive. I will do it only if you pay me. We stopped playing because it started raining. I watched several movies during the summer vacation. I met Harry during my stay in Germany. My grandfather was in hospital during the winter. I will phone you during the meeting. I learned German while I was working in Germany. It happened while I was away. The shop is closed during the whole of June. I met Alice while I was working in Seoul. It happened during the summer. It rained during the night. I fell asleep while I was watching the film. I met some wonderful people during my stay in France.